Alright guys, welcome back. It's your boy Javon Bryson, and in my last video I told you guys how I lost a bunch of money. But today I'm going to show you exactly how I lost that money. I'm going to show you what kind of schemes these hackers are up to date and how they're getting better and better and more advanced as time goes on. And man, they're getting crafty, boy. This shit kind of crazy. Alright, like and subscribe. And also I got a video coming with the Ledger wallet. I'm going to show you exactly how to secure your crypto account so that you don't even have to worry about these hackers no more. Let's get into it. Alright, so pretty much this is how they compromised my Metamask account. So as you guys know, I'm invested in StrongBlock. So pretty much what I did, as I do on almost every single day, is I check my nodes. So I usually go to Google and I type in StrongBlock. When you type in StrongBlock with a space between the letters, literally the first link that pops up is a scam. The website is strongblock.com, not strong-block.com. One very easy way to know if the site is real or not is to click it. Click create your node now. Then, if it's the authentic site, if you're connected to Metamask and you've already connected to StrongBlock, it shouldn't say connect your wallet because I'm already signed into my wallet. There's no reason I have to reconnect my wallet that's already connected. That's a red flag right there. Now, if you went to the actual StrongBlock site, I spelled it wrong again, but right here, strongblock.com, create your node. I'm already connected. See, that's the difference. But if you look at it, the fake sites look identical. They look like the exact same site. Actually, what the site does is what it did to me is after you log in, after it asks you for your seed phrase, what it does is it actually logs into your StrongBlock and reroutes you to StrongBlock. So it looks like you just logged into StrongBlock. It's crazy. So if you hit connect wallet, first thing it does, asks you for your seed phrase. Why does it need my seed phrase? Really? But that's literally how they got me. I was newbie to this thing. I didn't know what was going on. So it's a real easy mistake to make. And they got a couple grand off me. It is what it is. I'm not too salty about it. I'm going to get the money back. I'm going to run the bag up. You know how it is. But it's literally that easy. It should not be asking me for my seed phrase for an account that I'm already logged in. It should just be asking me for my password. This right here doesn't even look real. The site that got me, it looked much realer than this. But just guys, be safe and pay attention. Also, if you're ever unsure, if you don't want to click a link, one good way to get to the site, the actual official site, you can go to coinmarketcap.com, type in the name of the project. So for instance, Strong. And then it's going to always have the website right here. So you click the website right here, and it's going to take you to the official website. And boom, official Strong. It's the same thing if you wanted to go to Time Wonderland, CoinMarketCap, or any other project. I'm just using Time because I'm also invested in Time. Hit Time Wonderland. Damn, Time went down. Sheesh. Wonderland Money. And boom, you're in the real site. And you can tell because I'm connected. Let me see. Oh. Actually, it's my other account, my other Metamask account that's connected to my Time because, of course, this is the account that got hacked that I was using for the demonstration. That's even why I felt comfortable clicking those links because this account's already hacked, so I got nothing to lose. I already lost it. But just be careful, double check the links. If you're not sure, just go to CoinMarketCap and click the link on CoinMarketCap rather than checking these Google links. These hackers are paying ad money, because look, it's an ad. They're paying ad money to have their accounts show up higher, to have their fake websites show up higher than the actual real website. And that's how people are getting caught because the website looks identical. Personally, I think Google needs to do something about it. They need to fact check. They need to, I don't know if there's somebody I can email or I can talk to, but people are losing thousands of dollars because Google is promoting a hacking website. It's insane. Because usually when you Google something, usually you click the first link. Usually you think the first link is the official link, then you think everything after it is like the third parties or the fakes or it's literally the first link is a hacking link. So guys, just be careful and just pay attention. Hopefully this video could save you a couple $1,000 and you don't have to be broke on Christmas like me. Deuce.